In this video, I'm going to walk you through, as a beginner, how to get up and get running, how to start making $100 a day, and how you can do it online. You don't need a website, you don't need emails, you don't need any experience. Anybody can do this, and I'm going to walk you through step by step in this video how to do that. Now, before we get started though, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Also hit that bell, that way you get notified of all the videos that I come out with to you on a daily basis. This channel and all my videos, it's all about creating that total boss lifestyle, being able to do the fun things you want in life, and not have to worry about somebody else telling you what to do and what you can and can't do. Okay, so that's kind of my message here. I want to create entrepreneurs. I want to help entrepreneurs grow themselves online. Also, make sure you click on the description link below. I'm going to send you some information on how to get up and get a work from home business going for yourself, how to start generating some bigger incomes for yourself. And you can do that by clicking on that link and just following the videos that I show you on that next page. All right, so let's jump right into this. Let's get right into creating wealth online. What we're going to do is we're going to use a very simple website called ClickBank. Okay, it's one of the best websites out there right now. It's one of the easiest for anybody to get up and get running with it. They have all of these products online, and all you have to do is promote the products, and you get you get commission for that when you promote these. So if we go into, and you can sign up with ClickBank, you just have to register. It's free. Nobody, they're not going to require you to pay money. You just sign up, register, get in, and then you can get going. And what you do is you get into the marketplace. Now, anytime that I promote stuff online, I always stick with these three niches: wealth, health, and relationships. Okay, these are the three biggest niches online. And if you're looking to make money online, stick with these three right now. If you have another hobby or anything like that, make a ton of money in this, and then you can go and pursue your other hobbies. But always stick with these big niches right now, because these are where all the buyers are at. These are where the people that are spending the most money, and this is where you're going to be creating the most wealth for you. And it's going to be where the most activity is. Okay, you want to go where all the activity is online. All right, so when we get into marketplace here at ClickBank, you're going to click on these left-hand categories over here, and let's just jump into health and fitness. It's one of the biggest. It's one that I've always seen success with. So let's jump right into that, and I'll show you exactly what we're going to do. So right now, health and fitness it shows you popularity. 117 per sale here, and then 35 here. Let's just work with this one right here. This is $35 per sale. All you need is a couple sales every day, and you're going to be in business. So let's click on this. I'll show you the link. What it is just a simple video. Okay, this is a simple video that talks about a 2-minute ritual to lose 1 pound of belly fat every 72 hours. There's absolutely millions and millions of people online. They're looking to lose weight, and all you have to do is put this link in front of them. It's a unique link to you. When somebody adds this to your cart and they buy it, you make money from that. Okay, it's pretty cool, and you can do that with ClickBank. So all you have to do is we're going to come here to promote. Click on this promote button right here. This pops up, and I'm going to click on create. Now you see this link right here? It's nice, ugly, and it's long. So let's take this. We're going to copy this, and we're going to just copy it to our clipboard. Once you do that, what I want you to do is come here to Google, and let's type in, just go type goo.gl. Okay, this is Google's shortening link. And let's see what we come up with here. Let's go to google.com first. And let's click on, let's say, goo.gl. There it is, Google's link shortener right here. Okay, that's the first link you want to click on. So click on that. Let's sign in. Okay, so you post your link right here. Said you just go paste, boom, like that. And you click on shortener. And then it says copy to the URL. So we're done. We can click that. So what we can do is we could just copy this to our, let's go back here to ClickBank, just make sure. So we can just copy this to our clipboard like that. Okay, so that is a better looking link. All right, it's a better looking link to post everywhere, because people, they know the Google link. So it's Google GL. They understand it's coming from Google. It just looks more, it's not as big and long. It looks more attractive. All right. So then what we're going to do is we're just going to, we'll just keep this. We'll just copy that, make sure that's set in there. Okay, now you have your link. This link is unique to you. And when people click on that link and they go buy, you make money. But how do you get people to click on your link? Well, that's going to be the next step, is getting traffic to your link. So what we do is we go back to Google. And what we're going to do is we're going to type in weight loss blogs. Okay, so weight loss blogs. So you got a ton of weight loss blogs that come up. So let's just click on the first one here, weight loss blogs for 2017. The best weight loss blogs. I'm going to click no here. All right, let's just pop on this first one here. So Andy Mitchell, okay, she's got a blog here that she creates, looks like she creates recipes for. Now, if people are coming to Andy Mitchell's website and they're looking at recipes, they're probably looking for, ways to lose weight, okay? So naturally, all the people that come here are looking to better themselves. They're looking to, improve their diets and looking to get good recipes for that. You could also come here and let's look at some of the other ones. Let's go with this one. Okay, so this is plus size Cyber Monday sales. Okay, this looks like a lot of people that are looking to lose weight. Okay, so she's got a very big blog here. So let's click on this one, this link right here. This is content right here that she creates. Looks like a lot of good content. She has some plus size stuff right here. Okay, so people are going to naturally want to figure out how they can lose weight. All right, so what we do here is you want to look for blogs that are very active. Okay, right, this one with this post right here, it's not very active. There's not a lot of comments right here. So I'm going to go find another blog. So let's go back to our pages here. Let's look at this one right here. Cranky Fitness. Let's see what kind of activity we have here. Okay, so 19 comments. Okay, there's a lot of comments in here. This is a good blog. Okay, see all the comments going on in here? So that is a very good blog right here. Okay, so you could comment on this one, but I want to just go back and I want to go back to this one right here. Let's see here. Where's her link? There it is. Okay, so let's click on this link right here again. We click on the recipes. I like the recipes ones because people are naturally looking to lose weight. They're looking to better themselves with recipes, and it just works out a lot better. There's a ton of posts in here. So what you're going to do is this, and there's going to be a lot of blogs out there that you can go to within the weight loss niche, okay? And the same goes with with wealth and also with relationships. There's going to be a ton of blogs out there that you can go and post a comment to. Now, what you do is you're going to read through this recipe, okay? You're going to read through this blog. You're going to find out information in here, and then you're going to post a comment down here, okay? Saying, I really, let's see here, no, come on. Here's an example of what I'm talking about here. Somebody posted this right here, and then they put a tiny URL link right here, okay? So this is probably going to this is a good example of what I'm talking about here. So you're going to post the same type of comment. So, looks amazing. I really like the foods here, okay? Now, I'm not going to post this comment here, but I'm going to show you what you want to put some thought into this, and then post down here. You put in a comment here, and then you post if you're looking for a cool way to drop some weight, click here. Okay, then you would put your link right there. Now you put your name, your email, and you can also put your website here. Now your website would be your link, the Google link right here. Okay, boom, right there. Put that website there. Put your name, your email there, and then you post that comment. Now a lot of times they might check it and see if it's legit. If you're giving value, then they're gonna allow that. Don't just be a spammer and just go plaster your link all over the place. It just won't work. But if you create value for the blog and you put it out there, then that link's going to go there, and that link's going to stick on there forever. So somebody could come back here a year later, click on your link and go buy that product. Now, the key here is you find new blogs to comment on, and you go and you find new, up and coming blogs, you find very popular blogs, and then you try to post on those on a daily consistent basis. You have to get your link out there, okay? If you don't get your link out there, nobody's going to click on it and nobody's going to buy your product, and you're not going to make money. So you got to make sure that you're always out there consistently putting new content out there as far as putting comments on blogs, okay? And there's a ton of blogs out there that you can do that with, like I said, with this one. Now here is one of the best little tricks that you could use. So Google, let's go to google.com again, and let's type in Google Alerts. Okay, so this is something that a lot of people don't know. And Google, what they'll do is they'll weight loss. Let's just put an alert for weight loss. Okay, so let's create the alert. Okay, I already have one set up here. Now what happens is anytime a new type of article or a new something comes out, they're going to email you information about it. So they're going to give you alerts on these. They're going to say, okay, here's another article about losing weight. Okay, so like let's check out this one right here and see what pops up. So this is the Daily Mail. Okay, so this is going to be an article about losing weight. Now, if we scroll to the bottom here, you can see that there's a lot of stuff in here, but there's also a lot of comments in here. You may not be able to post a link in here. You could try it, but that's going to be another link or another place that you could go and drop your link. I particularly like these are like the Daily Mail is more of it's kind of a, I don't know, it's not as homegrown as I like the other ones. Like this one right here is very homegrown. This is something that probably an individual is like, she's probably just creating this content for this blog. So it's a little bit more personable. That's the blogs that I like. But that doesn't mean you can't get alerts. You can get alerts for anything. Weight loss blogs, okay? You could set up an alert for that. Okay, or weight loss tips. Anything you want to put in here. Weight loss tips. Okay, you're going to get alerts on that. So these alerts are going to come to your email. And when you get these alerts, then what you do is you click on the link and you go there and you read the article, and then you can comment below and you can see who's commenting on it, and then you can react to those comments. But make sure that you read the article and you give some type of value in that comment. Because remember, once your link gets on there, it's pretty much permanent, okay? It's stuck, it's there. So somebody that's searching online for weight loss 6 months down the road could click on that link and potentially get in there and start buying your products. So the key is the more links you get out to the internet, the more of your link that you put out there, the more times that this link right here it gets out to the internet, the more money you're going to make. It's just standard. It's the way it works. The more you get this out there, the better off you're going to be. You're going to get, and this is where it's going to get fun, because it starts to become passive income for you. You start making money when you're out doing something. Now you start creating that total boss lifestyle, because somebody clicks on a link that you posted 6 months ago and you get paid for that. That's called passive income, and that's when it becomes really, really fun. All right, so there you go. That's all you have to do is just go to ClickBank, find an offer in the wealth, health, or relationship niche. You get your link, then you start finding blogs and you comment on those blogs. Get your link out there. Make sure it's valuable content. Make sure you're putting good content out there for everybody to use. Once you do that, you're going to start to become active in the communities, and you'll start to generate more traffic, more links out there. Okay, so again, click on the link below this video. It's going to take you in and get you information on how you can get up, work from home, how you can get going, start making that really, really big income online, and you'll start to have great success. All right, so this is Tyler Pratt. Hey, if you like this, share it with your friends, comment below. Let me know how I can help you online. Tyler Pratt, and I'll see you on the next one.